റേഷ്യോ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1:4,000 ആണ്. 1:4,000 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു തെറാപ്പിസ്റ്റ് 4,000 ആൾക്കാരെയാണ് കേറ്റർ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ അതൊരു വലിയൊരു ഒരു നീഡാണ്.
It has its own advantage and disadvantage when we talk about conventional method. Advantage can be like there is increased social exposure. You can use real material, tactile approaches there. You can do a lot of group sessions, emotional bond.
Ultimately, you need to be a very productive, effective therapist.
We are still customizing this individually for the person that we're working for, because one size does not fit all in what we do, right? We cannot do the same thing for every client. We come together, and together we can do more.